Hello, it's Sutton from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're in Tordeviscus Alto. We're in a complex called Sun Villas, which is a fantastic complex, really private, really quiet, and these fabulous views behind us as well. We're going to be looking at a 3-bedroom apartment, townhouse, whatever you like to call them, and we're just about, I don't know, probably 20-minute walk to the beach, something like that if you fancied that. Bit of a hill on the way back, probably €3 to €5 to get your cab back anyway if you're not up for walking back. So let's have a look around. So we've just come in through the main door here, and we're presented with a nice hallway, stairs here, and on the right hand side we've got one of the 3 bedrooms. Good sized bedroom here as well, nice size, plenty of light as well, with its own window. So back out of here, we'll leave the stairs for the minute, and opposite here we've got a bathroom with a washer and a dryer, a toilet and a shower. Now that's all been recently refurbished, and so is the kitchen. Now have a look at the kitchen. This is a lovely kitchen, look. Absolutely fantastic. Plenty of storage, oven, cooker. So I mean, with the oven you can stay here for a long time. It's not like just a holiday complex where you've got to stay, holiday apartment where you've got to stay for just, you know, where you're going to stay like a week. You can stay here and live here properly. So we've got nice sofa here, new furniture here as well. So they put some money into it. Nice tiles as well. Look at the reflection on those tiles, really nice. Now a nice little corner thing here as well, maybe for breakfast, looking out to that view there. So let's take another look back at the apartment. From here it looks stunning, really nice. Okay, I've got some fly screens here, so we'll just carefully go down the step here and out onto this terrace. Now, what's the time? Something like about 10 o'clock. The sun will rise over here and it will set over here. But we've got a fabulous view here as well, and at night that must be really nice with the lights. You can see the sea down there. In fact, well, there's the pool as well. You can see the pool from here. But in fact, just to show you where we are, where Sun Villas is, probably in the centre of our screen there is the water park, the first water park, the aqua park. So we're not far from that. Nice open space, and this complex, as I said earlier, is really lovely, really private, really quiet. So back in here, and we'll go up the stairs and see what we've got up there. Well looked after complex as well, actually. The guy here is always working. So up these stairs, on the right hand side we've got the main bedroom. Wardrobes here. Some new wardrobes over there as well. And a new bed and furniture here. And then they've got their own balcony here as well, which has the same, obviously, same impressive views. If not, probably better up here because you can see the sea better. But a lovely balcony for you from the bedroom, when the other half perhaps makes you breakfast. And then we've got a bathroom on this level as well. So walk-in shower, toilet and basin there as well. So say that I believe has been refurbished very recently as well. And then, now this used to be a terrace. When the properties were first built, these were made into terrace. You can see by the roof here. So this would have been a terrace. They're using it as a storage room, but quite obviously it could be used as a 3rd bedroom, perfectly safe. Got windows, and although the property is probably still registered as a 2-bedroom, perfectly usable as 3 bedrooms. So that's our 3-bedroom apartment in Sun Villas, Tordeviscus Alto. Probably about 20-minute walk, as I say, down to the beach, Playa Fania Bay. We've got Iceland locally, we've got the water parks locally, cabs all over the place anyway if you want them. Fantastic apartment this as well. You could, as I say, you could live here permanently because of the way it's distributed. 2 bedrooms upstairs, another bedroom downstairs, and a lot of refurbishment work's gone on as well. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.